baking powder, I have sugar, I have flour, I have milk, I have some oil, and I have egg. In replacement for the oil, you can use margarine. For this quantity of flour, that's about 1 cup of flour, you'll be needing just 1 tablespoon of margarine. It's actually a better alternative because it adds to the taste of the pancake. Okay, so now because I'm using oil, I'm going to be adding little salt in the process of mixing my batter. So just watch this video, enjoy, and learn how to make your pancake. All right, so good. So first thing, I'm going to take my egg, crack it, and whisk it. Okay. I'm going to set this aside. And then I'll proceed to mix in my milk with water. Okay, this is the milk. I'm going to add some water. This is 1/3 cup of water for a start. I might need to add more eventually, but let's make do with that for now. After mixing the milk, I pour in the egg. The essence of adding egg in pancake is for it to serve as a binding agent. Okay, it holds the whole mixture together and to, of course, enhance the taste. So now I'm going to add some oil. I'm not going to use all the oil, so let me start with 1 tablespoon. A little more, right? That's fine. Add more water, additional 1/3 cup. Okay, good. Now I'm going to start adding my dry ingredients, the flour, the sugar, and the baking powder. So start with the sugar. And then the flour. Okay. And the baking powder. Alright, so because the batter is not as thick as I want it to, I'm adding a little more flour. Okay, yeah. So which means that for you to do this, you need a heaped level of 1/2 cup of flour, not just the cup level. You need to heap the cup. Alright. Yes, the thickness of the batter is good now. I love the way it's thick to give me what I want. After thoroughly mixing the batter, the next thing to do is to fry the pancake in a saucepan, of course, on a cooker. Proceed with my cooking. I'm going to set my frying pan, my saucepan, on a moderate heat level, and then I will allow it to dry, and I will add some butter to it to fry. Okay, so now that the saucepan is dry, I'm going to add some pancake butter. Okay, and I'm going to leave it for about 30 seconds to 1 minute to cook. If you look at it carefully now, you realize that it's having some bubbles on it. Okay, that's to tell me that it's getting done. So now I'm going to flip it over carefully. Alright, turn it around. Good. Can you see it? So you flip it over and leave it for another 30 seconds. Alright, so there you go. I have my pancake. Can you see it? Left, right. So now I'm going to remove it, put it in a plate. Alright, I prefer to flip it this way for stacking. I'm going to add another round. Okay. And it's going to cook. This is another round. It's going to cook just like the other one did. Okay, time to flip. Look at it, beautiful. Oh yeah. So you leave it for another 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Here we go. Boom. Alright? And your plate again. Bam. And you do the same thing until the whole batter is exhausted. And the last one. Alright, and here is the pancake. Okay, can you see it? Can you see the thickness? Yeah, the thickness is actually important for pancake, and that is what actually differentiates it from crepes. Okay, so there you go. Enjoy your pancake with whatever you want. Thank you. Subscribe and like this video. Alright, yeah, bye bye.